Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Last week I showed you the Maca studio with a detailed tour that I really hope you loved. And today I can finally show you the official home tour you've been asking for. We'll tour our unique shoebox house, the future plans, and just stick around till the end for more surprises about the second floor construction. Welcome to my... No, wait. Welcome to our shoebox house. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Maca and I am so happy to finally show you my home tour. This is a highly requested video to show you my house because most people cannot understand the way it's set up, the way it was designed, and the whole story about it. So let's do it. We moved in 5 years ago this September. And besides the incredible design and the amazing choices and materials and high-end techie kind of smart house, we love the eco-friendly aspect. 𝘧𝘢𝘐𝘵, which is a general contractor, designed, built, and sold the house by herself. Yes, she's incredible. When I chat with her when we moved in initially, I asked her what was the uniqueness of the house. It's a shoebox house. If you live in Montreal, you know they are a patrimonial building and they're very unique. I think they're the only type of houses designed as a shoebox. So we are sandwiched between two big buildings, one on the right and one on the left side, so we share our walls. And what's very unique about shoebox houses is they're very tiny and they keep the facade in the way that they were built in the 20s. It's very beautiful, the story of the house and how she changed it but kept also the patrimonial kind of look in the front and in the back of the house. And besides that, she also built an eco-friendly project, which is something that absolutely changed the way that we live right now. 5 years after, we have concrete flooring in the entire rez-de-chaussée, which is a ground floor where we have the rooms, the bathroom, and my bathroom. That creates a thermal mass efficiency. So concrete floors are really good because they're heated to save money when we get the hydro bills. And it's something that, besides the look, that it looks super sleek and beautiful, it's actually very eco-friendly. She also added an instant water heater and smart faucets all over the house. So it saves a lot of water and the water consumption is very smart. So that's something that actually touched my heart. We have a passive solar heating. We also have good insulation when she rebuilt the structure because everything was built new, so she used the latest materials when she was doing the insulation, and also good ventilation. So we have a system that filtrates and cleans the air throughout the year, which is incredible. Something else that we have in front of the house that is also part of the eco-friendly system is we actually recycle rainwater. How cute is that? Yeah, so she created an entire system of railings in front of the house that they recycle the water when it rains, and they are collected in a huge bin, and we use that to water the plants, to water the grass. So we have one parking spot just in front of our house that it has also an EV plug. It's already there. So we don't have a hybrid or full electric vehicle yet, but that's coming soon, next year, and I cannot wait. We live in a shoebox and it's 1,070 square feet, so it's very tiny, but it's very comfortable for the 4 of us. We're gonna start today with the entryway. So as you can see, of course, everything had to be pink and cute. And this is actually one of my first DIYs that I did like 5 years ago. And it's pretty much to organize everything when we arrive. And a beautiful mirror that I absolutely adore from IKEA. On the other side of the entryway, we have an open closet. I really like that we can see everything and we can pick our coats during the winter time. And over here we added some baskets so we can organize a bunch of things when we go out. So I really like the simplicity of this area, and we added this bench so the kids can easily find their tooks. Now, the office. As you can see, we have a multi-level house. So the ground floor is where you'll find the entryway, and then you have to go up to go to our little office. It's very tiny, but it fits 3 of us right now. So my husband works from home at least twice a week, I would say. He uses this corner for his meetings and working from home. Here's my little corner where I have also my computer and I edit and I just pass the time when I need to work from home. And I really love it. It's very tiny, but it's gonna change when we build the second floor, and I cannot wait to share that with you later. After you saw the little office, we're gonna go actually downstairs so I can show you the entire house. Let's go. This is the kids' bathroom. I apologize for the mess. I did my best, but it's very hard. And it's actually one bathroom that it's an actual 2 bathrooms, so a two in one kind of bedroom. So downstairs we have all this room, and I have changed this layout so many times the past 5 years that now she's really happy the way it's set up. It can only fit a twin bed, and I actually love it for her. She of course added her personal touch to everything. And upstairs you'll have Nico's room, which is super fun because this is actually the highest ceilings of the house. So in this part, it was very smart the way it was designed to optimize the space. She pretty much doubled the height over here so we can fit 2 full rooms. What? I'm here upstairs at Nico's room. As you can see, this is so fun. The access to this mezzanine is the ladder that you just saw. The space is very, very limited, so we only have his bed and a tiny little closet that we built. He has the essentials, like he loves it. We're gonna play together? Hi! Mushy, where's your room? Hey, where's your room, baby? Come. This is the best part of the house. Now, the kitchen, which is my favorite part, of course, of the house. We came in for the first time. I think I screamed when I saw all these tiles behind me. I was like, what? This is so good. Most of my friends were worried that we didn't have any cabinets, but you won't believe how big this kitchen is. And I absolutely adore it. I wouldn't change anything from the design perspective. It's so well planned and I'm like, oh my god, I love it so much. So here's another perk. It came with this wine fridge and so good. So the hidden secret of the kitchen. And where do we keep all the stuff, all the food? I'm gonna show you where. And it was actually one of my dreams because I had this when I was living in Venezuela, and I couldn't believe it that I was gonna find it in a house here in Montreal, and it's an actual kitchen pantry. So it's so good. And it's over here. And when we first came in, I was like, no way. So yeah, it came with a pantry. We did a few years back a revamp of this pantry with HGTV. I'm gonna link the video over here. And we pretty much like painted everything in a beautiful lilac, and it's the happiest pantry ever, as you can see. So this is where we keep everything. Now the living room. It's so good. The living room, of course, as you can see, is like very close to the dining area. But in the future, well, I'm gonna tell you that in the next video. What are we gonna do here? And what are the changes? And what's leaving and what's gonna stay? But for now, the living room is here. And I absolutely adore all the pics that I did a few years back that I've been like collecting things, and I always love to mix and match different materials and different finishes. I love this gold accent chair that we have over here. I bought it a few years back on CD2, and now the new baby is this one, bamboo chair from 𝘧𝘢𝘐𝘵𝘴. So my room is actually one of the sweetest spots that we have here in our shoebox house. Changed it a few times over the years. In this bedroom you will see many DIYs that I have done. My recent one, this beautiful art gallery that I did with wood and vinyl. So it's a very cute and inspiring and soothing corner of my house that it will change. This one will change dramatically when we are building the second floor, but you have to wait until the next video. I'm gonna tell you the story of the second floor, like what's gonna go, everything about it. And I have plans, 3D renders, a bunch of things to show you. So that's gonna be super fun. After I show you my principal bedroom, I need to show you my closet, because that's something that I'm very proud of. And I recently did a cleanup and I installed a bunch of things on my Maca closet account. If you don't follow the Maca closet, you have to go now, because I do drops every month where I sell my clothes. It's super fun. Okay, so let's show you the closet. The way you go in, we have sliding door, which I love, and here is my baby closet. So we have this IKEA closet that is also the same model that you saw on Ollie's room, and it's open, which I love, so I can see everything. But it's very tiny. It's very tiny if you love to shop as me. And I try to optimize my space as much as I can. This closet is gonna go. It's gonna go upstairs. That's the only sneak peek that I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna have a big closet now. This is the only bathroom that we have. In all honesty, it's like the cutest bathroom ever. We have 2 showers that we love, especially for the kids. I think this is very useful, and it's massive. I think it's like the size of a room. We also have a bathtub that we use with Ollie, especially that she loves her bath. And the tiling situation is just insane. So we have the same tiles that we used on the kitchen. This bathroom also will have a change. I really hope you love this tour. And now let's go show you a little backyard. Yeah, we have one. This area will change dramatically as well when we are building our second floor, because some of the things that we have here are gonna move, maybe not, but we will have a terrace upstairs as well, so more to come soon, I hope. And the space is perfect. What I love about it is that this laundry room is just above our office. So it's the way that she optimized the space. So she did the mezzanine, which is our office, and then right below she did the laundry room, and right next to this wall it's the pantry. That's so brilliant, right? This was fun. Yeah? You think it was fun? Yeah, I think so. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait for you to be here next week, every Saturday at noon. And if you missed the studio tour, you have to go. I'm gonna link it in the next, I don't know, in the next seconds. And I'll see you soon. Next, it's gonna be New York adventures. You cannot miss that. It's gonna be epic. Okay, see you soon, guys. Bye.